Hi guys, this is one of my new ideas. I was telling you, this is a test. This is one of my older ones that the elastic went out, and like I said, I have to think of a better way because you're taking the measurements of the very top of the bowl. I like mine to go a little further around the bowl, and sometimes it's loose. So here we go. We are doing it this way, taking it through with a safety pin. Okay. These will be on my Etsy page, everybody. And I will take some to the Saturday market. So you can find them as soon as I get tons of them done. But I do want y'all's opinion. Elastic is great, but then they go. They do go out. And they start to wear out. They no longer fit the bubble very well. But this is still good. So what's easier? Right? So, like I said, this is old. It's not new. So I'm thinking, God, I gotta put the plastic back in it. You know. My mouth open. Bad, bad, bad. So, so if this works out, I'm going to hand sew what came undone. That's not a big deal. I can actually probably sew it now. Alright, so we want to. Oh, my husband's outside. Looks like a hat. It does, don't it? Looks like a little hat.
What a mess.
It's my mess.
Yes, it is. Look at that. Spitting out here off and on.
Yeah, it's not, I wish I had a better way of holding that door open instead of it rocking like that, but that's the best, I can do for now. Oh, I will be right back. Hi guys, I found out how to pause this thing. Isn't that kind of cool? So I went to go getting my scissors, right? I'm going to use the little round ones on this. We got all different sizes. Come on. Get through. Come on, work it through. Dog's back there having disagreements. Alright, there we go. So now I'm going to take this. Right? Children, don't do this without your parents' supervision. Now this one's not like the normal paracord. It does burn. There you go. So what you're going to do then is bring this up a little bit. Make a little bitty knot. You can use regular paracord if you want. So we're going to use the top of this. There you go. Right. So when you put it around your bowl, you just pull it as tight, push the little button as you need. Isn't that cool? And you want to loosen it. Nice and flat. So I'm going to be making some of these today, some new ones. This is mine. Like I said, the elastic went, and I got to do some little mending along here, and then we're good to go. You all have a good day.